Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok profile use number option not showing. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if we'll go to TikTok and then I will just log into my account and then just open the profile page, hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner to open this page. As you can see, I don't have this option here, so let's try to get it together. We need to click on more in the right top corner to open this toggle menu, choose settings and privacy here. Then scroll down to find support and about and choose report a problem. Click on it. So now we need to choose the most suitable topic for us. I think this is like account and profile. So after that, on this page we'll try to find the suitable thing. Editing profile page. I think that profile page is like the most suitable here. So after that, we'll try to find like the profile view option, but basically I don't see it, so we need to click on other. After that, on this page, we need to like explain our problem, so click on no and then just click on need more help. Here we need to, I will delete everything from here because this is like the theme of the previous video. So here we need to explain our problem. We need to write something like this: hi, I don't have profile view option, please help me. And after that we can also add some screenshots from our telephone if you want to like prove that we don't have S option, and then just click on submit right up here. And after that, in a few maybe hours or 1 or 2 days, the TikTok support will help us to solve this problem. They will send us the instruction we need to follow to get this option, or they will like fix it by themselves without our knowing, so this problem will be automatically solved by the TikTok support team. I hope guys this video was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.